Hi, I'm Mrs. Armitage, Head of Performing Arts, and I'm going to talk you through the Film Studies GCSE revision resources and the Drama GCSE revision resources. The easiest thing for students to do is to go onto their Teams page. They should have a layout like this, and they've got all their classes that they take. If they click on 11C Film Studies, you'll get various different folders at the top. You need to click on Lesson Resources at the top. And inside there are folders for each film that they've studied with class notes, revision notes, resources. So if they haven't been in a lesson, for example, all the class notes are there. Everything for each scene that they study is in there. So if the book isn't very detailed, they can look through those notes. There's also a folder of revision activities. So if you click on the revision activities, there's 30 days of different activities to build up to the exam if they want. There are exam questions, and there's also for each exam paper 30 ways in 30 days with different suggestions of what to revise. So rather than just looking through their notes, they're actually giving activities to use those notes with, which is obviously better than them just reading through their notes. They've also got the film studies. I've written a booklet for each one of the films that they've studied. In those booklets, there are all the PowerPoints and various things that we've studied in the class. So there you go. And at the back of each booklet, there's also exam questions for that film. So it's every film they've studied have got one of those booklets, and it's quite comprehensive. So they should be all sorted in terms of revision. Obviously, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me by phone. In terms of drama, Mrs. Halliwell takes the Year 11 drama class. However, I can access the team. So the students must need to access their team. And again, if they go up to lesson resources at the top, there is a tab, there's a folder there for revision. And inside revision, there is some noughts and crosses quizzes there that they can take part in. They're very, very simple, basic quizzes. But one of the things they can download is a revision pack. Hopefully it'll load up. And it starts from the beginning of the written exam all the way through to the end. So it looks at stage configurations, stage positions, and then roles and responsibility of theatre makers. And then what it moves on to is the longer questions to look at props, set, costume, lighting, sound, etc. There's also what you'll find later on, examples of good answers, and also how to answer exam questions as well. So for each question 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, there are examples highlighted and explanations as to what a good answer looks like. So that's really useful. I think there are how to answer the questions at the end and then try different questions out. You will also find, again, 30 ways in 30 days for noughts and crosses as well. Revision tasks for written exams. So again, more tasks for them to do, past questions, questions that have been wrote for them. And obviously simple section A revision. So all their revision materials are there. The other options for both classes is film studies revision will be in the options week every other week on a Thursday evening, and drama will be every other week in the options week on a Wednesday after school. So if there's any issues, obviously you can speak to teachers then as well. Feel free to email me. Students can contact us via email as well, and through the team chat on posts. So for example, here they can message a teacher and we get those messages straight away. So if they are struggling, then they can message us, no problem. I hope that helps, and I will leave it there. So thank you very much and goodbye.